Hello everyone, this is Vinay and you are watching EduSmart. In this video, I am going to talk about an internship offer that you can complete right from your home in this lockdown. So before diving into the details, I am strongly recommending you to watch this video till the end before you apply for this internship. So let me also know in the comment section below, do you need WhatsApp groups? How many certifications you have got till now, and how helpful is this channel, and what are you expecting from us? So let us see the details of this internship, and by completing this internship you will get a letter of recommendation, a certificate as well as a stipend. Here stipend means you will receive money, which is in general terms we call salary, but in the technical terms of internship we call it as a stipend. So without making any noise, let us move into the details of this internship. So now let us see the details of this internship. So the role of this internship is Python development, which means you will get a certificate of Python developer. It is being provided by the Webson Technologies and it is work from home. The start date is immediately, you can start this internship, and the duration of this internship is 2 months. And you will get around 1000 rupees per month. And the deadline to apply for this scholarship is 15th May 2020. Let us move on to the details. See, about this internship is you should have this habit of coding regularly, and you also need to do handling day-to-day activities with the senior team members. It means the members will guide you in doing the work. They will tell you what to do and you have to complete the task. And for this internship, the skills required are just Python. If you know Python, you can apply for this internship. I think this is the best fit available internships among all the internships. So I hope everyone will apply for this internship. So who can apply for this internship? So who are available for 2 months can apply for this internship and have the skills and interests. Other requirements are a drive to learn and master new technologies and techniques. So at the end of this internship, you will get a certificate, letter of recommendation, flexible workers, 5 days a week. So in the week, you only work for 5 days. So that is about this internship. So in order to apply for this internship, you have to create an account on Internshala. By clicking this, you can see that, I'm clicking on this. Here, if you click this login button, you can see the register, or else you can directly register here, right? Register as a student. If you register for this, you can apply for this internship. Once you register, you can click on the link in the description box of this video and you will be redirected to this page. Thereafter, you can apply for this internship. So before applying, they will ask you 2 questions like, are you available? Yes, for 2 months. So you need to mention whether you are available or not. And the next important question is why you should be hired for this role. This is the most critical answer that you are going to do, because they will skip the resumes applications they get based on this question. You need to answer this question very properly. For example, if you are a subscriber of a YouTube channel, you might have already got a lot of certifications, right? 1 or 2 certifications you do have already got. You need to mention those certifications in this. I have already told you a free Python certification. You can mention this here. If you do that, there are high chances to get this internship. And with this internship certificate, you will get a very good offer. You will have very great opportunities to impress your interviewer when you sit for campus placements or off-campus placements. So that is about this Python development. Do not forget to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe, and I also wanted you to share this video with your friends. So thank you for watching this video. We will be coming with more such videos, and if you are interested in internships like this, please let me know it in the comment section below. If not, we may stop this providing details of internships. I hope this video might be helpful to one or the other. Also let me know it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video.